on, come on. When you push on this right here, this little clip right inside here is supposed to move in. But as you can see, that's not happening. So now I gotta get creative. Yeah. How that song go? Let's get serious. Let's get serious. Let's get serious and fall in love. Come on, get up out of there, little girl. What you doing? Okay, connector looks fine, but I do see some, you know, some stuff all over that right now. So let's go ahead and grab our 13. Yup, It's doing our business and such. There we go. We've got both starters right next to each other. Looks like they bolt up the same. Looks like, you know, we're not gonna have any issues. Okay, your top bolt. Let me get you a good visual. There we go. Okay, so that's your top bolt right down there. And I'm gonna reach right down in here. Just give it a couple twisty turns before I hit it with the battery ratchet boy. I'm gonna recheck my bottom bolt, and then I'm gonna recheck my top bolt, and then I'm gonna reassemble the air box. Here we go.
Gosh damn it. Call you one day on the phone and say, do I call you David or do I call you Swift? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me throw this at you. My wife's got a 2017.
I call that a repair. Yeah. On to the next.